Hey guys, I'm going to tell you guys about Twitter. It's a really useful social media site to communicate with other teachers, your students, or your parents. I use it mainly for informing about what I'm doing in the classroom to other teachers. So we have your Twitter handle, which is you're going to create when you create an account. Mine's at Mr. Mahal 91, and then your name. You have your tweets and what you tweeted, so I can look back at my 83 tweets that I've done before. Who am I following, and then who is following me are my followers. Moments has to do with news. Notifications are people responding to your tweets, and messages are for direct messages between one or another person. Normally on this side will be trends for you, and these are like things that are happening. And normally once you start adding and doing some things, they'll come up with different hashtags, and hashtags are just a way to connect a conversation. So like hashtag Wake Ignite, I follow a lot of probably Wake County sites that they think I might be wanting to tweet about that. All right, and then so down here is your you can look at all the things. You can see when the bus left. We have some new tweets that we can click on, and so these are some people that what they're doing. As you can tell, you can attach videos or show pictures, and then you can see these hashtags are about showing connections. So someone who might look at that hashtag would see all about flipped learning. So I created a tweet. I tweeted at Brooks, and I was telling everyone I'm creating a screencast on how to use Twitter and participate in an ed chat. I will be posting the video shortly from at YouTube, so I directed it at YouTube to poll to see if it was helpful, and then hashtag professional development. So I'm now connecting anytime someone clicks hashtag professional development, they could see my tweet and then possibly be looking for my video that's coming out really soon. So I'm going to press tweet, and what happens is when I press tweet, it comes up. So now I have tweeted just now. People can reply to this, they can retweet it, they can like it. I can also see who has seen it by the view tweet activity. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you guys a couple things. There are Twitter chats or ed chats that are really important. It's a way to develop your personal learning network and help you grow your personal support with people that aren't even on your campus, and it's really cool. And I participated in one before. It was a Wake chat. But if you want to participate in things that you're interested in too, there's a great website, Participate and they're all about education. So you can look at like EdCamp, Empower, Tech, and you can see what's happening today, this week. And if you want to participate, you'll click on it, Ed Chat Talk, and then you can learn more about it and then see what the contents are. And then at 8 o'clock on March, you'll get on to Twitter, and you'll use this hashtag when you're talking. I'll show you guys some previous tweets that I had about how to do a Twitter. So of course there's Milo and his Spiritware and students this summer. All right, and I think I participated a while ago, but sorry guys. I should have it preloaded on this, but I've added some homework helpers, our magnet fair, students working. Oh, here's my chat. All right, so how the chat works is there will be a hashtag, and what will happen is a person will moderate it. So this happened last year during the World Series, and first question was introduce yourself, tell your grade, your age, and then they'll ask different questions. So the hashtag WCPS chat happens every second and fourth Wednesdays. And there will be a moderator, and they'll answer questions, and then people will respond to their answers, and you can retweet them, you can comment back at them. And the big key to these are A is always your answer, and then if you're the leader, you're telling them the question, and then you can respond to people, but make sure you just put hashtag WCP chat, and that's what you really want to be on if you're doing that on Twitter. If you have any additional questions about how to work, make a tweet, or work anything else, please share it with me or ask Whitney, and she can help you. I will be attaching both this article about introducing Twitter education chats as well as the participate chats. And again, the big Wake County one is the hashtag WCPS chat, and it happens every on Wednesdays, the second and fourth Wednesdays. I hope you learned about Twitter, and if you have any more questions, you can tweet me.